What's up? Today we're doing the unboxing. I'm really excited to try out this mouse. I wanted to try out the Thorn from Lamzu. The only problem is what happens if I don't like it, I need to return it. And I didn't want to take my chance of ordering string from them. So I waited until Amazon had it available. When I saw it did, I immediately jumped on it. And I'm really excited to try out this mouse. And I also got the 4K dongle as well. 52 grams for an ergo mouse, not even one hole, only at the bottom of it, which really doesn't matter. It is awesome. So let's open up. Price point, I think you're paying close to $100. I think I paid mine for $97. With the dongle, you're looking about anywhere between 14 to 20. I'll put the pricing on the screen somewhere. You should see here any second. And let's continue. Now this unboxing is awesome. At the left side, you got the USB Type-C to USB Type-A power cord. And look, man, this is interesting. I really love how this USB adapter looks. It does look nice, and I kind of like it see-through, which is awesome. I'm not going to need this because I'm going to use the 4K dongle. There's a way to do it. Really easy to pair from what I heard. Let me put this towards the side and put this right here. Also, the user guide how to get this mouse set up. Is it? Yes, it is. This tells you information about it. Also, it comes with extra mouse feet. Now this sticker right here, you want to put at the bottom to cover it, which I'm not going to do that. And also you got grips for the sides and also for the primary left click and right click buttons. Now the mouse itself. Now I have using it, trying to feel in my hands a little bit earlier. Of course, the wireless receiver, which I'm going to need that. And finally, the mouse itself. Now let me put this over here. And let me check. Okay, it looks like we're still good. Feels really good in the hand, very comfortable. I thought I was not going to like it. Maybe it was going to be a little bit too small, but it's not. Now let's do a quick sound test, shall we? Wow. I'm impressed. The build quality on this is mwah. No shake. I don't hear it. And I ain't flexing. I really love how this mouse looks at the bottom. The mouse feet. You got two small ones, medium size, and then you got two more mouse feet right there. At the side, the middle, and of course the main in the middle. This is your DPI changer, and this is to turn on the mouse. At the front of it is USB Type-C. I'm so sorry. I really do love how the sound, the clicks on the mouse it's just music to my ears. So first things first, let me set everything up. I forgot to mention one more thing. Right here at the bottom is your DPI indicator, and also I think your indication as well when your mouse is about to die. Now let's open up the 4K dongle. Get out, Mr. 4K dongle. So this is the 4K dongle. I'm going to need white rubberized base at the bottom. Does look nice. I love the finish of this. The look, not the finish, the look. Just bear with me. Oh man. too late to do this, but it has to be done. Okay, so stand by. I'm gonna set everything, set up the 4K, but I need to use this, so this is gonna take a while. So let me do this. So I already have the mouse set up ready to go. When it turns on, this little LED indicator right there, which I'll show it to you guys. I'll demonstrate it to you. So, boom, right there, ready to go. And also, I want to see how the software looks. So you see, I got this at 800 DPI. I got the 4000 Hertz. I want to actually bump it down to 2K. Pretty much straightforward. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That is the end of the video. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. I am signing off. Take care and good night.